Hello students, today I'm going to guide you a bit for creating a game using Scratch. So we are going to create a maze game, and here we can start here and play. And here you can see the speed is very slow, very slow. And then when this one gets the fruit, and it gets faster and faster, and you can see the enemy is animated. Okay, then after you get the treasure, it will be winning. Okay, but if you got caught by the enemy, then you lost. Okay, now all of the script can be learned in the class. Okay, all of the script can be learned in the class. But then I'm going to give you the first basic ones. Okay, I'm not going to explain you all about this one. For more details later on, you guys can learn from this assignment 3 maze game, and you can click this PDF. It explains everything of how to create the game, and this folder contains all of the pictures, or let's say the character and the enemy. You can get it here. Okay, now for example, you want to get this picture for your background, you can do a right click. See, you got this one, and you can right click, and then you can press download for this one. Now guys, now let's create the game, okay, from zero. First of all, we remove the scratch cat. Okay, I'm going to give you the basics. Okay, but then for the detail you can see at the PDF. So now guys, here after you download all of the pictures, you will get this Alco front run and also the background. Okay, you can choose the maze you want, and you can get the treasure. Okay, for example, I'm using this Alco front run. Okay, here first you need to get the character. This one is the background and this one is the character. It's different, guys. So choose a sprite. Okay, you can upload here and get the character. Okay, I'm going to get this Alco from Run as the main character. Okay, and then I will make it small, so I can make it as a 50% size. I can make the size smaller from here, or I can use the script. So for the first one here, I'm going to put here is when the flag is clicked. And then if you want to make the size smaller, you can use here set size to, this one is 50%. I'm going to make it as 20%. Make it smaller. So this one only happens when you press, when the flag is clicked, set to 20%. So this one is the main character. And for the background, for the maze, you need to upload it here. Okay, if you click this one is the graphic from the Scratch. These are the graphics that Scratch provided, but we are going to use the graphic that I have prepared for you, so you can use upload and go here. For example, I'm choosing this white one here, or this one. Yeah, you can choose anything. If you want to use this one, it's okay. For example, I'm choosing this green one. Okay, it will straightly become the background. Now, as you play this one, nothing happens because this character doesn't have any script. the first thing you need to do is make the character move throughout the map. How to make the character move in the map using keyboard? Okay, I will show you how. First, you need to have repeat until this one, okay? Repeat until something, and this one will be repeated again and again. Okay, now let me put up the treasure. Wait, it's not the treasure. Okay, I'm going to get the treasure first. Treasure, where is the treasure? Okay, treasure close. So this one is the treasure, and I'm going to make it as 20%. Oh, this is too small. So make it 30. Okay. The mission is to get the treasure and it will stop. So you can move this character, okay, again and again and again until it gets to the treasure and it will stop. So the controller will be placed here in between of the repeat until. It will repeat until it touches, this character is touching the treasure. So what you need to do here is, it will repeat until it's touching the treasure close. So what is repeated until the treasure close is the freedom to control this character. Okay, now what is the controller of this character? Here you can choose. The character is using an if, okay, using an if, and the character here should be controlled by an if key space here at the sensing. When you press up, okay, let's say I'm going to move right first. If it's moving right, if I press the keyboard arrow to the right, it will change the X. Okay, X will be X and Y. Okay, X will be plus if you go to the right. If you go down, the Y will be minus. If this character is going up, okay, from down to up, it will change the X to be plus. The Y is plus. If this character moves to the left, the X will be minus. Okay, now how to do it? If the right key arrow is pressed, then motion, you go to the motion. Here you are going to change X by -10. Okay, if you put it here, now you press right. Okay, change X by 10. Now I'm pressing right. See, it's moving, guys. Okay, but when it touches the treasure, it stops. Okay, it will repeat this one until the treasure closed, and if it's touching, then it will go down here. Okay, it will do something here. For example, I'm going to put here as a sound. Okay, I'm going to record my sound here. Sound. And I will record. See, it's moving. The bar is moving. Now I'm going to press record. Yay! I win! Okay, now I'm cutting this one like this and save. Okay, basically I have recorded. Yay! I win. This is the yay I win sound. Now go back to the code here and then repeat until this one will be repeated until it's touching the treasure close, and when it's touching the treasure it will go here. Yay! I win! See? Now I'm going to move it back here and play. I press right, nothing happens. Repeat until touching the treasure close. Yay! I win! And this game is stopped because you already won. That's That's all. But you see, when I press this one, yay, I win! Yay, I win! You need to make this character not to touch the treasure at the beginning. So what you need to do is, you need to put the character here, and then you set this one at the first time you go to X and Y, minus 20, 154. This number is set automatically when it's minus 20 and 154. It will set automatically. When you first time you drag, and this is the X and Y which is filled inside of the go to X and Y. Okay, see? Yay! I win! Now, this one is just moving to the right. You need to make it to the left, guys. Yes, going to the left, then it means you change X by minus 10. So now you can go to the left and right. Okay, but it still penetrates the wall. See, it penetrates the wall. Temporary. Now, this one is another one which is not just to the left but go to up. And when it's up, it's not longer about X anymore, it's about Y coordinate. So change Y, not set Y. Okay, set Y, it means it will go to a certain Y coordinate, but this one is adding. Change Y is adding 10. When you press up, it's positive. But then when you press down, 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 it will be a minus for the Y. Now let's test this one out. It means now you can move up, down, left, and right. See? You can move left, right, up, and down freely. But you are still penetrating the wall. Yay! I win! Okay, how to make your character can detect the wall. Okay, how to do it. Okay, first of all, I see this one is too long and I'm going to make it short. Okay, how to do it. Okay, I'm going to put this one here, make it out. Whoa, not that one. That one is very too. Okay, I'm going to shorten this one. Okay, as you can go to the my blocks here, and you can make a block, and this block name, I name it as a controller. Name it as a controller. I put it here, so it's no longer inside of this, but this one as a standalone. See? Controller. But when you create at the my blocks about controller, you will have two pieces, okay? The big one and the small one. You need to put this small one inside of this. What you are trying to do is like this. This is the real program, okay? This is the real program, guys. And this small piece actually extends for all of this action, okay? This small piece is actually extends for all of this one. Right, left, up, and down. So when you press down, it still moves like this. But if you pluck this one out, okay, it's not connected. This one extends for this one, but it's connected to nothing. It will not move. No matter how hard you press your keyboard, it will not move. Or if you pluck this one out, can it move? No. You need to pluck this one out because this one extends for all of this. Then your character can move. This one is to simplify your script using my block. Okay. Now let's put this one here. Now in this controller, okay, you want to make the character can detect the wall. Okay, you want to make this character can detect the wall. And how to do it? Okay, now let's be logical, guys. Okay, let's be logical. If you press right, okay, when you press right, it goes right. Okay, but then when it touches the black color, okay, the black colored one, it will not penetrate the wall, so it will bump. Okay, it will bump through the wall. Now how to do it? Okay, if the key is right arrow press, then change X by 10. Here you are going to add if inside of an if. This one, see? Put it inside here. Put it inside, okay? Not below, guys, not below. You put it inside as one package with the if right arrow is pressed, change X by 10. This one, guys, you need to make it minus 10. So when you got the plus 10 and you got the minus 10, it will be 0. Okay, when it touches this wall. So how to do the wall? You need to put like this. If it's touching black color here, whoa, when it's touching the black color here, okay, then it cannot move. See? 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 It cannot penetrate, but you need to do it for the other side. Okay, this one is touching, minus 10, the reverse one is 10. This one you need to create the reverse. And this one is also creating the reverse. Okay, but it's not X, it's not X, you need to put the Y. Motion, change Y. Oh, this one's already changed Y. Okay, change Y by minus 10, and this is the inverse of this one. It will go change Y by 10, positive 10. Now, it's supposed to be running well. Then the base is already done. You see? It only moves within the maze. Yay! I win! Okay. One more time and I will close for this basics. Okay. Now, when you see this one, it's all speed. You see the speed is 10, minus 10, 10, minus 10, 10, minus 10. We are going to learn about creating a variable. Okay. The variable is here. Okay, so the variable here is speed. Okay, let's call this one as a speed. And here, set the speed. Okay, set the speed into make it as 5. Okay, I don't want to use 10. I'm going to make it 5. And here, as you see, this one is 10 is a real number, but this one is a speed. The variable speed equals to 5, and here I'm going to put speed. See? 10 becomes speed. So now change X by speed? No. Speed here is 5, so now the speed here is 5. Change speed by 5. You see? When I press right, it's a bit slower. Okay? It's 5. Now, for this one, minus 10. So, you see speed is 5, is plus 5. This is plus 10, it becomes plus 5. Minus 10. How to get a minus speed? It means you have to multiply minus 1 times the speed. Okay? This one will create, as you see, this one the speed is 5. So this one becomes minus 5. See? Minus 5. Okay, now speed, I'm duplicating this one as a plus. See? 10 is plus, this one is plus, this one is minus, this one is plus, and this one is minus. So whenever you do this, okay, the speed is 5. So one day, if you are going to change the speed into 1, okay, play this one, it will go slow like this. Okay, but then if you make it 10, it's suddenly all 10 speed, either up, down, left, or right. Okay, I'm not suggesting you to plus 20 or 100 or 1000. As you see the size and the map here, okay, it's limited, so try to find your best number. Okay, I hope you enjoy my basic tutorial about a maze game. Okay, and if you want to see all of the detail there, please see the PDF that I gave you. It will be having an enemy, okay, you will have an enemy, you will have this character animated, you will have an enemy which is can move up and down, left and right, bump like this, okay, and there's a laser gun. For the future development, okay, please refer to the PDF that I'm giving you. And if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.